Welcome to Statistics, MH203 OLA for the summer session of 2022. Um, I would like to just kind of show you how I want you to access the course in general. I'm here in the student view, so this should be what you're seeing. You should see the syllabus come up here. If you go to modules on the left-hand side of the page, this is how I want you to access the class. Within this student view, you should see all the things that I'm seeing. This getting started week 1 is where I want you to begin. This is the video that you are currently watching. Welcome to MH203 Summer 1 2022. If you click here on syllabus review, this is the one I've actually uploaded already. You can see that there's a link written in blue that says syllabus review. When I click on it, you're going to see that it opens in YouTube and it's going to show me going over the syllabus for your class. Right, so I'm going to try and talk you through the things I care most about. So let me close that and go back to modules. So again, I want to be looking at the modules page. This is how you best access everything in the class. In this important course information page, this is the actual syllabus as well as some policies that I don't put in the skinny version of the syllabus, but are uniform for all of Manor. This is to get to Cengage technical support if you're having any trouble with their system. This is the link for the ebook, which is the textbook behind the whole class. And this is the link to get your Canvas linked to the WebAssign course page where all the homeworks are housed. Once you've worked your way through these 3 videos and this page about me, you can click on this math journal getting started. It's presented as a quiz with 5 essay questions, but basically you get full credit for attempting it as long as you try every question. If you get something wrong, I'm always going to correct it in the comments, but you'll still get full credit for the attempt. Where the real course begins is down below. Here, descriptive statistics is the first unit in the class. If I click on the very top page within that unit, here it has 4 tabs to work through. So the first tab, objectives, just tells me what I should be learning from this section. If I click on PowerPoint lecture, it has both something I can click above that gets me to the PowerPoint, which sometimes is hard to see on the screen behind me as I lecture, and then a YouTube video that'll be me going over that entire section. Here's the PowerPoint link for graphs for qualitative data, and then here's the video of me going over it. These video example pages are of other teachers I found on YouTube going over similar concepts, so maybe if you don't get it from me, it's helpful to see it from another voice. And then the classwork is to try problems like what you'll be seeing in the homework. So if you click on this, it's a Word document like what we did in classwork when I did an in-person class, and it will give you example problems to try. When you try those example problems, you can then go back to modules, and directly after each of these pages are videos of me at a whiteboard going over these problems. So the first classwork on variables and data, this video will show me going over that classwork on variables and data at a whiteboard where you can see how to do things step by step. Then it will give you a link to go to the homework within WebAssign. Whenever you need to access anything through WebAssign, it needs to be clicked in the Canvas module first to go there. You can't go between assignments within WebAssign, which I know it's frustrating. It all has to be done through Canvas. At the end of each unit, you're going to end up seeing a math journal, which I haven't published yet for this unit, sample test videos, and then you also see an actual test that I haven't published yet for this unit. Once the test is published, just know that once you open it, you can't go out of it and come back. You need to be ready to take the test when you open it. Also know that it closes at 11:59 p.m., so it's not something where you can start a test as long as you start it before 11:59. If you haven't submitted it by that time, it's going to record it as a 0. So everything must be complete and turned in by 11:59 on Sunday nights. I think that's all I want to show you for now from this, but please continue through this module to see what the syllabus is all about, how you're being graded, to see how to access course materials. I think I'm going to rename this actually Working Within WebAssign. And again, this is just a little bit about